come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info.
What's up?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yo, what's good, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. Today we're gonna be talking about pretty much a different way to bridge your tokens. Like, say you have BNB and you want to change that for AVAX or on the Avalance chain. A different way to bridge those tokens, or the same thing vice versa. Things from the Avalance chain to the Binance, or Binance to Chronos, or whatever it may be, Phantom, whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys a neat way that I learned how to do it. But first, before I get into that, is to head over to the DeFi Bully YouTube channel right here. Hit that subscribe button, that red button, the one that's constantly rolling up at the bottom. Just go down, and it looks just like that one. Yeah. But we're on that push to 1,000 subscribers. Hit that notification bell. This DeFi, all this stuff is time sensitive. But well, I'm so routined right now. But this particular method isn't really like timed or anything. So I'm using what's called ChangeNow.io. I'll put a link down below. And pretty much I would just select, say for example, I'm about to send some BNB to AVAX on the C chain. So Binance, BNB, this is Binance Smart Chain, and the AVAX token utilize that's what the Avalanche chain utilizes, the AVAX coin. So I'm gonna go here to my metamask. I'm gonna actually get off of this. I've been moving very slow right now, but I'm gonna copy the address right here. So you copy your address, you put the amount of BNB you want to send to AVAX. Now it is a little fee. There's another way of doing this using Elk Finance, but I got a video on that if you rather just try to use another coin, or you want to go through Elk Finance. They have a platform where you could bridge and everything. I can't remember which one the fees. I believe the fees are about the same. So anyway, I'm gonna send about $150 of BNB. That's 0.37. So I'm gonna go back to ChangeNow. 0.37. Let me double check that. Yep, 0.37. Okay, so it's saying I will get 1.74 AVAX for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter in the address that I wanted to send to. My address is already there. They probably checked my clipboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and press next. And now right here, you can just press unlock metamask and it'll verify the payment through your metamask utilizing the BNB coin on a Binance Smart Chain. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock that. Did I do that already? Oops, I'm sorry. I'm over here on it. So, and also, I'm glad that actually happened on camera. Make sure you're on the chain, the blockchain that you're actually sending the coins from. So since I'm sending BNB from my Binance Smart Chain to AVAX on the Avalanche chain, I will have to be on my Binance Smart Chain, mainnet. So unlock that. Then it's gonna ask me deposit the 0.37 BNB on a Binance Smart Chain. Yes, I would like to do that. This will come up to verify. They say the gas fee is gonna be about 37 cents on this particular one. Now the fees will come up more at the end. No, they're trying to get me to switch back to Avalanche. Not yet. Cancel. All right, so right here it says awaiting deposit. Confirm transaction. So we got that deposit. And I have to wait for all of these levels to go through. Okay, and as you can see, it's moving from awaiting deposit to confirming. Right now it's at exchanging. One thing I wanted to point out though is if you guys do not have Avalanche or Binance or Ethereum or Chronos or Phantom. These are different chains. If you want to add another chain to your MetaMask, you could do so at this site. It's called chainlist.org. I'll put the website for this in the description as well. You pretty much just go here, you select the chain that you would like to add to your MetaMask, and you just press connect to wallet. Easy as that. So go here to Avalanche if you want to add the Avalanche, and just connect wallet. Just thought I'll add that for you guys. And then once you add it to your wallet, if you open up your MetaMask, it'll be right here at the top, and then you could choose the different one right there. As you can see, still on Binance Smart Chain until this transaction goes through. So just thought I'll point that out to you guys. All right, let me get back to this. Exchanging. Now it says sending to you.